Business at the Cocoa First Court Monday morning turned into fisticuffs when a circuit court threw out a defilement case against a private security officer, Alhaji Mansur Mako. A spontaneous jubilation of supporters of the accused reportedly provoked sympathizers of the victim who expressed dissatisfaction over the ruling, resulting in an open fight.
Hearing of the case began on February 15 after prosecution had convinced itself Alhaji Masuru Mako indeed defiled a 12-year-old Boko conflict victim in January 2010. After almost 5 months of adjournments, the court found the accused not liable and had therefore acquitted and discharged him. It explained that the prosecution failed to convince the court beyond every reasonable doubt, as all the witnesses told different stories in their evidence in chief. The court, presided over by Georgina Mensah-Dacha, also expressed doubts about the age of the victim, which she said ruled out the defilement charges against the accused. Alhaji Mako was delighted.
Today, I don't know the way I'll say that I'm feeling, but the two I said, there's nothing only I would say that I pray Almighty Allah. I thank him for the marvelous job he has done to me, and my wife also, for her, she has behind me day and night.
But the plaintiff, POS Foundation, a non-governmental organization which took up the case on behalf of the victim, cried foul.
I mean, the judgment is not something we are so much happy about. If a court is not certain with an age and where we haven't provided any birth set, I know we can see an anatomy, we get the S3, we get the girl's age, because they did not prove, they did not tell us that they were not satisfied with the girl's age, and we thought it was an obvious thing that the girl was below age. We didn't talk about this. Two, if you talk about the proceedings and what's going on, what went on today, you can see clearly that when you have prosecutors coming into cases where competent lawyers over 6 years are competing with them, you don't get always the fact.
Counsel for the accused, Isaac Edu, hinted of an appeal.
Definitely would go a step further by appealing the judgment that has just been delivered by Circuit Court 5. Because at the end of the day, the question we ask ourselves is that if the doctor is saying that hymen has been ruptured, who actually did the rupturing? We know that criminal prosecution is usually beyond reasonable doubt, but we have to, at the end of the day, make sure that justice is equally served.
Outside the court, supporters of both factions went wild, resulting in an open fight with missiles. A young man believed to be a close relation of Alhaji Mako ran amok among the largely women support for the alleged rape victim, hitting everyone on sight. He was only overpowered by his men after one lady was hit in the face by a missile, causing her to bleed profusely. The lady later ran into the court to seek redress, but was advised to report to the police.
We're taking a break. The news returns shortly. Please stay.